In this video we will learn how to measure from a point cloud with TCP PointCloud Editor. Let's start by importing a file in E57 format that contains the scan of a chapel, done with a terrestrial laser scanner. We set the representation of points in RGB color and display the cloud from several points of view. We activate the top view and run the distance measurement tool. We mark start and end points, and the 2D distances are displayed. For 3D distance measurement, we activate the reference to cloud points and select start and end points. You can see how the horizontal, vertical and 3D distances between the points are shown. Finally, we will measure the area of a polygon. To do this, we activate the corresponding tool and designate the points that define its vertices. We finish, and the calculated area and perimeter are shown.